Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload CapCut projects from mobile to PC. So let's get started. If you have a CapCut application as your regular video editor, so you can upload your projects to PC version. So if you enjoy editing a video in a PC, and you can download and install CapCut PC version. So let's get started. Make sure you have an account. Try to sign in or register into CapCut account, or you can join CapCut Pro. After that, you can use this space. So you can tap in. This is the space. You can there's a free 15 gigabyte, or you can purchase the plan 100 gigabyte, a 1 terabyte, 110 gigabyte as you wish, or you can join Pro. You can get 100 gigabyte cloud space storage. Make sure you have this, or you can use the free one, 15 gigabyte, or turn on auto upload to get 5 gigabyte. So after that, you have space. You can upload your project here. You can tap three dots and upload the space, but make sure in the PC version you log in the same account as the mobile phone version. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, the thanks button below. See you in the next video.